Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I saw this question posed somewhere on a board or somewhere, but I thought this was a great question to ask and really understand the fundamentals of it. So can you answer this? So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos about certain topics, but variables and scope and calling and things like this. So you would see this and you would say, okay, well, there's nothing wrong with this. So let me show you. So I run and I put it into memory. Everything goes. Well, let me do this again and run this. So what do we think is going to happen? Do we think it's going to run? Do we think it's going to print out 200? Do we think it's going to print out 100? Let's go ahead and look. And I'll give you a little hint. As you can see here, Spider starts jumping up and down and screaming and saying, hey, 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 something's wrong, something's wrong, something's wrong. Local variable is defined enclosing scope. Scope. Okay. So local variable is referenced before assignment. So now, all right. So this is where this has a problem in Python when you're overriding. So I could bring and put this out here. Let's cut. Let's paste it back. Paste this back and get rid of that. And I run this, and it's going to be 200. Python can handle this completely, but there is a problem here, and it needs a little bit of help. So now I can do this because Python is going, hey, you're talking about two different scopes here. You have a global and then you have a local. So what do you want me to do with this? Because right now you're calling it out here, you're calling it then here, but you're calling it here. So what do you want me to do? So the way that we need to attack this is we need to say global right here. So I want to show you now what's going to happen. Now let's print X. So I want you to watch what's going to happen. So this one line of code solves this, but then does something interesting. So now, do you have any guesses of what's going to come out first? And don't cheat and look. But right now, I solved all my alerts, right? With this one line of code. Now I put that back out. Boof, comes right back up. Hey, you have no idea what you're doing. So now 100 is going to print out, then 200, because I'm telling Python, hey, I know I got this weirdness going on right here, but this is how I want you to solve it. I want you to bring this in to our function, print it, and then I'm going to actually reassign it. So boom. I bring this in here. You're telling Python it's okay. Grab this globally. And then by initiating this globalization, I'm saying, hey, you can then use this and then it can come straight back out. So first usage 100, second usage 200. So there we go. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.